Hello guys, it's a privilege to be with you once more. It's an opportunity. We are most grateful to God. Good afternoon, good morning, and then good evening to everyone, especially our subscribers, and then those who are new. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. I am GMK with Tech and Media GH. Without much ado, in today's edition of our YouTube tutorial, we are going to take you through how you can put 5-minute video on your WhatsApp status. That is wow, it's so fantastic instead of 30 seconds. So without much ado, let's jump straight into the video. So go on WhatsApp. I have my own here. I click on it. Let me just take you step by step. So now that I'm on WhatsApp, this is my WhatsApp. And then I scroll up at the right top corner of your phone. At the right top corner of your phone. At the right top corner of your phone. No, that's not it. The 3 dots there is this side. Let me click on it, and then you come to GB settings, and this particular this mostly goes to those who are using GB WhatsApp. At the right top corner, select GB settings as I have here. My pointer is on it. Then we come down. Let me scroll it up a little bit. Come down to home screen. Come here. Click on it. Click on it, and then you come down to status. Status. Click on it. So now that we are here, you still have to scroll up a bit. Scroll up. Scroll up. Great, we are here. So 5-minute status allow you to put a 5-minute video instead of 30 seconds as a status. Note, only GB WhatsApp users can see the full status. Other users will see 30 seconds only. What it means is that when you put a 5-minute video there, those who are using other WhatsApps can only see 30 seconds of it, but those who are using GB WhatsApp will see the full video, which is a 5 minutes. So what you have to do is to enable it, turn it on. So you set it. So now that it's on, anytime I want to put a video that is more than what, let's say it's more than 3 minutes or whatever, I can get a full video there, or somebody can watch the full thing. It's going to be very simple, easy. It's very simple, easy. Just enable it, and then you are good to go. Without much ado, turn on the bell so that anytime we upload a video, you can equally get saved. See you in our next video. Bye.